got all these new earrings too.
Hey y'all, I may look a little beat today because I'm not feeling well. But I got my Ipsy bag and I would like to do an unboxing so we can get it going. Let's get it. Alright y'all, I just got my Ipsy yesterday, I think. Had a busy week. My poochie gonna be right here with me. And lay down. So we're gonna see what we got in the September 2018 Ipsy bag. It's full. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at it. It got, Sarah, look. Sarah, look.
I did.
I'm in my girls' room doing the Ipsy video. Look at it, goes. See it? See it? You want to see?
See what?
We got lashes. And it's pretty. I can rock this one. It's got Ipsy on there. So we're gonna find the card. The card is in the bag now. And the theme will be what? We'll find out once we read. The question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Hashtag Ipsy September 2018. And that's what that looks like. Disrupt the system, smash the status quo, make some noise. This month's Glambag plus your 5 personalized picks are here to help you stand out from the crowd. Create a scene and express your own unique beauty. Want to color outside the lines? Head over to the Ipsy app for tons of inspo on how to break broody rules. Want more reasons to lash out? Literally. Here's some of Ipsy shoppers' top lash boosting formulas. We have Buxom Cosmetics Lash Mascara, Bare Minerals Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara, and the Ico Lash Alert Mascara. P.S. Don't forget to rate your picks by this September 30th to get even more customized picks next month. Only on Ipsy Shopper, you get 30% cash back on all of these products that I just named. I did put the Ipsy app back on my phone, guys. Y'all should do so as well. So I guess the subject is lashes. This is so heavy though. It's the heaviest. And I've noticed something in the bag. We have a little tag there. It says rules were made to be broken. First product we have from Nomad around the world is a light infusion powder. Let me look at it. Looks like it could be an eyeshadow. Does it want to come out? It looks like so. Excuse my nails. I was peeling my nail polish off today. I don't know why. Oh, look. What is this? Buttery super blendable blushing highlighter in shimmery soft peach shade. Okay. It's pretty cool. I can use that if I use blush. But okay. Oh, this is a full-size product from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. We have a lipstick called Incognito. I love these colors. They're like so natural. It looks velvety and it smells like vanilla. Oh my god, it smells so good. You want to smell it? It smells like vanilla. Yeah. It's like a matte look. I'm gonna use that, y'all. I'm gonna use that. Then we have Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. We have, it's a bronzer from Dirty Little Secret. I think I got something from them before. And it's beautiful. It has a nice little shimmer to it.
What is it?
A bronzer. It's pretty. I'm running out of spaces to put my stuff. I gotta buy another little compartment for some for lipsticks, for polishes, for brushes, and stuff like that. Here we go, another brush that I don't know how to use, but I will learn. This is from Luxie. It's a detailed tapered blender. Oh, it's pretty, look at it. It's soft. It's like a purple tip. Put that down in there. I got a whole lot of brushes, y'all, and I have to learn how to use them. And the last product is Booyah. It's from It Naturals. It's a 12-in-1 amazing leave-in treatment. It's keratin enriched and argan oil infused with borage oil. No parabens. It repairs, protects, and strengthens. 12 benefits. These are like full-size products. Let's see. It smells like a leave-in conditioner. It smells like conditioner. It says a leave-in conditioner. Goes what? My baby want to get up here. Put everything back. The conditioner. Brush. This fit in the bag, y'all. Oh. We got the Dirty Little Secret. Wait. The color is Skinny Dip too, by the way. I give her the card. I don't know what she want with the card, but and we got the Sunrise Light Infusion Powder. Put that back in there, and this beautiful lipstick that I must see again. It smells just like, want to smell? Don't you lick it. So you lick it, it'll be over with. But yeah, that concludes our September 2018 Ipsy Glambag unboxing. You know who I look like, y'all? Great. like Felicia. I feel so horrible. I look like Felicia with my little flats. But yeah, that's all. If you want to try Ipsy out, I will leave my link below as usual. Try it out. Just try it out for a month. You don't have to continue it if you don't like it. I've been with Ipsy for about 2 years now, maybe. It's $10 a month. Every month you get 5 new products. You get points when you review the product. And pretty much that's it. But I haven't had any problem. You get the cute little bag. You put little stuff in. So if I were you, I'd try it out. I'll leave my referral code, my referral link, and all that at the bottom of the description box. I've been having trouble with my eyes like all week. I can't see, and my glasses in the car. I did find my glasses, but anyway, yeah. Let's try it out. If you don't like it, you can always cancel at any time. So, by that being said, I hope everyone has a good day, a good night, or wherever you are. And I shall see you sooner than later. Bye.